people, and welcome back to Safe Flippers. On this video, I wanted to show you guys how me and my partner removed the chimney from the attic to the second floor down to the first floor. This is the one that was in the dining room. The other one that's in the kitchen that in previous videos we told you guys we were going to remove. Our contractor has to do that because it's actually going through the roof, so they would need to take it out, then patch it up, and then come all the way down, and we'll make sure we vlog that as well when they do get to it. But this was pretty easy, pretty simple. As Sif has stated, I believe in previous videos as well, that you just have to start from the top and then come all the way down and just pick them off as you go. So that's what you will be seeing us do. Enough with me talking. Thank you guys for coming back. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit your post notification bell so you get notified every single time we upload a video. Let's get back into the vlog. that sums up the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the walkthrough for plumbing, electric, HVAC, because it is all complete. See you guys.